Hello students, welcome to EDUHUNT online video classes. In the previous session we have discussed the worksheet. Now we are going to learn few concepts. Okay students, so that is based on divisibility rules. So what is divisibility rule? Why these are required? If I want to divide a number, so we must know the divisibility rule of that particular number. Then only it will be easy to find whether it is divisible by that particular number or not. Okay students, okay. Let's see one by one. The first divisibility rule. Let's take 0. 0 divisibility rule. Can we divide a number by 0? No, because divisibility with 0 is not defined. So divisibility with 0 is not defined. For example, if I give you 23 by 0, what is the answer for this question? If I want to divide this 23 by 0, I must know the divisibility rule of 0. Okay, I know that the divisibility rule of 0. What is that? Divisibility by 0 is not defined. That's why the answer is also not defined. Not defined. For example, if I give you 50 by 10, okay, 0 is there. This is completely different. Even though 0 is there in this number, this is completely different. Okay, right. If I give you 50 by 0, what is the answer? This 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. Answer is 5. This is exactly wrong. We have to check divisibility rule of 0. Divisibility rule of 0 is what? It is not defined. That's why answer for this question also not defined. Not defined. Okay students? Okay. Let's take one more. Divisibility rule of 1. What is divisibility rule of 1? For example, if I take 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. 55 by 1 is equal to 55. What is divisibility rule of 1? Divisibility rule of 1 is nothing but any number is divisible by 1. Okay. 155 is 55. 1 2 is 2. That is why answer is 2 here, answer is 55 here. Okay students, did you understand divisibility rule of 0 and divisibility rule of 1? Now let's talk about divisibility rule of 2. Very important. If a number is to be divided by 0, the unit digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay. Other than these numbers, if the unit digit is there, then that number is not divisible by 2. Let's check. If I give you 22, is it divisible by 2? Yes. Why? I know the divisibility rule of 2. That's why I am telling that this number is divisible by 2. What is the divisibility rule of 2? If a number is ended with either of these numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that number is divisible by 2. Okay students? Okay. For example, if I give you 250, is it divisible by 2? Yes. Why? 0 is there. If I give you a long number like 1, 2, 7, 6, 4, 5, 2, 0, 8, 9, 2. Is this number divisible by 2? No need to divide by 2. We have to check the unit digit. This unit digit we have to check first. If the unit digit is either of these numbers, then this whole number is divisible by 2. What is the unit digit here? 2. So 2 is divisible by 2. That's why this whole number is divisible by 2. Did you understand students? What is 2 divisibility rule? Right. Let's move on to the next rule. Divisibility by 3. Here divisibility rule of 3 is nothing but the sum of digits in the given number are divided by 3, then that whole number is divisible by 3. Okay students, I will give you one number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, let's check. whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, sum of digits. What is the rule? Sum of digits is divisible by 3. If sum of digits of a given number is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. It's very, very important, 3 divisibility rule. Okay, now see, I gave this number. Let's take this number. Let's see whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. First add all the digits. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9. Okay. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 7, 18 plus 7, 18, 7. This is 8 plus 7, 15, 25. 25 plus 9, 25 plus 9 is nothing but 4. This is 34. 34. Is this number 34 is divisible by 3 or not? No. So that's why this number is not divisible by 3. I am giving you one more number. 4, 5, 7, 2, 3. Let's check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. First, what we have to do? We have to check the sum. What is the sum? 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3. 4 plus 5 is nothing but 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 3 is nothing but 21. This 21 is divisible by 3. Then this whole number is divisible by 3. Okay, students, did you understand what is 3 divisibility rule? Okay, now see, in the exam, how to do very fastly. Okay, 3 divisibility rule. I'll give you very big number. How to do that number, whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Let's check. If I give you this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 4, 9, 6, 8. This much big number I gave you. So you have to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. What is the initial point what we have to do? The initial point is we have to check the sum. That is to know that. That's it. Okay. The different method is to check this whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Check each and every number whether that is divisible by 3 or not. See. 1, no. 2, no. Combining these two, it is divisible by 3. Yes, this is also divisible by 3. 4 plus 5, 9. Divisible by 3. 6, divisible by 3. Okay. Next, 7 plus 8, 15. Divisible by 3. 9, divisible by 3. 0, leave it. 2 plus 3, yes. 4, 9, divisible by 3. And this is 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So 18 is also divisible by 3. Then this whole number is divisible by 3. Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. Right. I'll give you one more number. Now you understand better. If I give you 6, 2, 3, 4, 0, 2, 6, 9, 8, 7, 4. Yes, this number I gave you. So we have to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, take the number. First, what we have to do? The traditional method is taking the sum and checking that whether that sum is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, now don't go through that method. If you go through that method, if the number is very big like this, it will take more time. Okay, check individually. Right. So 3 is divisible and 7 plus 2 divisible, 9 is divisible, 6 divisible, 3 divisible and 4 plus 5 divisible, 6 divisible, 9 divisible and 7 plus 2 9 divisible. And what are the remaining numbers? 2, 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, this whole number is not divisible by 3. Now, did you understand how to check? Yes, this method you have to follow. But learn that method. What is that one? Sum of the digits of a given number must be divisible by 3. Then the whole number is divisible by 3. Okay, students. But while checking the 3 divisibility rule, you have to follow this method, and you must follow this method to reduce the consumption of time in your exam. Okay, let's go to the next divisibility rule, that is 4. Divisibility rule by 4. Okay, right. What is divisibility rule of 4? Is nothing but last 2 digits, that means unit digit and tens digit, must be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits must be divisible by 4, otherwise last 2 digits must be 2 zeros. Then the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay, students, let's see. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Or last 2 digits should be 0, 0. Okay, let's check. For example, if I give you 824, so whether this is divisible by 4 or not, we have to check. How? Last 2 digits. Check last 2 digits. What are last 2 digits? 2 and 4. Is 24 divisible by 4? Yes. So 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Then this whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. If I give you one more number, one very big number like this. For example, if this is 89760,400, we have to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. Check the last 2 digits. Last 2 digits are 00, then this whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. If the number is given like this, yes, a number is given like this, we have to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. What we have to do? Immediately check the last 2 digits. What are the last 2 digits? 48. So 48, is 48 divisible by 4? Yes. 48 is divisible by 4. Therefore, this whole number is divisible by 4. Very simple. Okay, students, did you understand now? Right. Let's move on to the divisibility rule of 5. What is divisibility rule of 5? Divisibility rule of 5 is nothing but the unit digit must be either 0 or 5. The unit digit must be either 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. Let's check. Unit digit then the whole number is divisible by 5. Yes. Check the unit digit. In this number, what is the unit digit? 5. So, this whole number is divisible by 5. If the number is given like this, no need to divide by 5. We have to check the last digit, that is 0, then this whole number is divisible by 5. Okay, right. Let's talk about divisibility rule of 6. 6. So, what are the factors of 6? 2, 3. Factors of 6 is nothing but factors of 6, nothing but 2 and 3. That means the given number should be divided by 2 and 3. 2 and 3. That means if a number is divided by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. That is the divisibility rule of 6. Okay, let's check. Okay, this much big number is there. Okay, we have to check whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. What is the 2 divisibility rule? First, 2 divisibility rule is nothing but the unit digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here 4 is there, that's why this number is divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 2. We have to check 4. We have to check 3 divisibility rule. 3 cancel, 4 plus 5 cancel, 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 4 plus 2 6 cancel. So this is also divisible by 3. Therefore, this whole number is divisible by 6. Did you understand what is 6 divisibility rule? If a number is divided by both 2 and 3, then the whole number is divisible by 6. Okay, let's move on to the divisibility rule of 8. Okay, so divisibility rule of 8 is nothing but it is very similar to 4. How? In 4 divisibility rule, a number which is having last 2 digits, 2 zeros are, the number must be divided by 4. Okay. For example, last 2 digits, we are considering in 4 divisibility rule. Here, last 3 digits, we have to consider in 8 divisibility rule. Okay, right. In 4 divisibility rule, we have to consider last 2 digits. In 8 divisibility rule, we have to consider last 3 digits. If the last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or last 3 digits are 3 zeros, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay, right. Let's check. Yes, this number is divisible by 8 because last 3 digits are 3 zeros. Therefore, this number is divisible by 8. If I take one more number, that is check once. Last 3 digits 888. This is divisible by 8. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 8. Okay, 4 divisibility rule and 8 divisibility rule are nothing but similar. Okay, in 4 divisibility rule, we have to take last 2 digits. In 8 divisibility rule, we have to take last 3 digits. Okay, remember that, students. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Divisibility rule by 9. Okay, divisibility rule by 9. Divisibility rule by 9 is nothing but this is very similar to 3 divisibility rule. Okay, what is 3 divisibility rule? The sum of the digits in a number is divided by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Here also, if the sum of the digits of a number is divided by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. Okay, right. So, sum of digits should be divided by 9. Okay, let's take one example. Okay, same sum of the digits. If I take sum of the digits, it will take more time. Okay, as usual, follow the method which we followed in the 3 divisibility rule. Okay, 9, it is divisible by 9. 3 plus 6 9, yes, it is divisible. 5 plus 4 9, it is divisible. And 2 plus 7 9, it is divisible. 5 plus 4 9, it is divisible. and 2 plus 7 9, it is divisible, then this whole number is divisible by 9. Okay, did you understand? Yes, the sum of digits should be divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. Okay, okay, let's move on to the next one. Divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10 is nothing but if the last digit, that means unit digit, is 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. Unit digit must be 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. For example, 2, 5, 7, 6, 9, 2, 3, 4, 0. This number is divisible by 10 because 0 is there. This number is also divisible by 2. This number is also divisible by 5. Okay. If the sum of these digits are divisible by 9 and 3, then this number is also divisible by 9 and 3. Okay. This is also divisible by 4 because 40 is divisible by 4. Okay. Right. Chalo. Let's move on to next one. Divisibility by 11. It's very, very important. 11 divisibility rule is very important. Why? See, if a number is given, we have to take the odd places and even places. First find the sum of odd places and then sum of even places. Okay, then take the difference of those two sums. If the difference is either 0 or it is a multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. Okay, students? Sum of difference of sum of odd places and even places must be either 0 or multiple of 11. Then that whole number is divisible by 11. Let's take one example. Take this number. Sum of odd places and sum of even places. Let's check. Give the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. Sum of odd places 1 and 3 and 5. Okay. Now 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Next take even places 5 and 4. This is also 9. 9 minus 9, take the difference, 9 minus 9, 0. Then this whole number is divisible by 11. Okay? Right. Did you understand, students? It's nothing but, see, take the difference of sum of odd places and sum of even places. If the difference is 0, that number is divisible by 11. If the difference is 11 multiple is nothing but 11. It is 11, 22, 33, 44, like that. If it comes, then that number also is divisible by 11. Okay? Did you understand, students? Chalo. Divisibility rule by 12. Okay. Take the factors of 12 as we have done in 6 divisibility rule. So 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay. Say 3 and 4. So that means the number must be divided by 3 and must be divided by 4. Both 3 and 4. If a number is divided by both 3 and 4, then the whole number is divisible by 12. This is the 12 divisibility rule. Let's take one example. Yes. Check it. First check the 4 divisibility rule. What is 4 divisibility rule? Last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. Yes. Last 2 digits, that is 24, is divisible by 4. Okay, this is a 4 divisibility rule. Let's take a 3 divisibility rule. 9 is divisible by 3, it is also divisible, it is also divisible, it is also divisible. Therefore, this is divisible by 3 and 4, then this whole number is divisible by 12. Okay, very easy. Next, 15. 15 divisibility rule is nothing but, what are the factors of 15? 3 and 5. So, the number must be divided by both 3 and 5. Here, see, take one example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, take this number. Okay. So, 5 divisibility rule, the last, that means unit digit must be 5 or 0. Yes, here it is 5, therefore, this number is divisible by 5. Okay, what is 3 divisibility rule? Sum. 1 plus 2, yes, it is divisible. 3 divisible. 4 plus 5, 9, it is also divisible. Therefore, this whole number is divisible by 3 and 5. Therefore, this whole number is divisible by 15. Okay, right. Chalo. Okay, these are the divisibility rules. Okay, one more divisibility rule is there, that is 7. Let's discuss 7 divisibility rule. Okay, right. What is 7 divisibility rule? Let's take an example, and by taking that example, we find that what is 7 divisibility rule. For example, if I give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 2. Okay, right. Just follow the procedure, then you will get what is the 7 divisibility rule. It's very easy only. Okay. First, take the last digit. What is last digit here? 2. Double that number. Double that number means 244. Subtract that doubled number from the remaining digit. What is remaining digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. Okay. Subtraction. This is 5, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat the procedure. Okay. Repeat the procedure. What? Take the unit digit again, 5, double that, that is 10, subtract that number from the remaining number. This is 7 minus 0, 7, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, this is 3, 2, 1. Take the unit digit, that is 7, double that number, that is 14, 13 minus 4, 9, 2 minus 1, 1, 2, 1. Again, take the unit digit is 9, double that number, that is 18, okay, 18, 21 minus 18, 3, this is 1, 13. So, what is the remainder here? 13. Is 13 divisible by 7? No. If the number, the remainder comes 0 or 7 multiple, then this whole number is divisible by 7. Did you understand? Okay, chalo. I will take one more example. This is the number. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. What is the first step? Take the unit digit and double it. Remove that doubled number from the remaining number. Okay. 8. 12 minus 8, 4. This is 8, 7, 4, 3, 2. Take the unit digit 4, double it. 8. Remove the, subtract that from remaining number 0, 7, 4, 3, 2. Again take the unit digit, that is 0, double that 0, 0, then 7 minus 0, 7, 4, 3, 2. Again take the unit digit 7, double it, that is 14, 0, 2, 2. Again 0, 2, 2. Again take the unit digit 0, 0. Okay, 2, 2. Again take the unit digit, that is double it 4. So 22, you can take 22 also. 22 is not divisible by 7, therefore this whole number is not divisible by 7. Very easy only. Okay, instead of doing this much big procedure, you can directly divide that number, given number, by 7. That is very easy, more than this one. Okay, did you understand? Okay, chalo. Okay, now in today's class we have learned about divisibility rules. In the next class we are going to solve some questions based on this topic. Okay, until then, see you, take care, bye bye, enjoy.